Hi boss, this is a one. You can see it's a very long chassis, which is can amount 25 cubic meter water tank on it. You see the boss is here. He's monitoring to do it as fast as possible by himself. Okay, so don't worry. You can see very crowded. It's very crowded now. That's why it's getting slow. But don't worry, everything is under process. And once our truck gets this position, give it 3 or 5 days, everything will be done. And the tank is not made here. The tank is made in another workshop, which is very far. Not very far. Today is raining, so let them to finish there. So it will be very fast. Okay, don't worry at all.